Hi guys, I turned the camera upside down, so now the camera is way over there, even though I'm still looking over here. So this is going to be interesting today. I got a bunch of work done today, and I was thinking about it. I'm like, most of my work is on the computer. It's like marketing stuff, editing, video editing stuff. Like, it's not anything that is interesting to show in a Vlogmas. I mean, I do go out and do things, which is what I'm going to try to include you guys in, but it's like, I'm like, would you guys want to sit there and watch me, like, pull videos out of iPhotos for 3 hours or whatever? That's the other thing. Okay, so for the 2021 recap video, that I really want to have for you, just so you know what I've been doing kind of in a nutshell. Not everything, obviously, but like in a nutshell, what's been going on since last Vlogmas. I have to go between two computers. So the computer that has all my videos and all that kind of stuff on it, well, the ones from my phone that are like kind of journal-y kind of vibe, that's all in my Photos app on my iMac in my office. And then that computer's been processing videos weirdly. Like when I'm exporting them, it puts flashes in it. It's because I think I'm low on RAM on that computer for everything I'm doing. And so I have to edit the video on my laptop. And I love laptops, but I don't like editing video on them. I love having the iMac with the big screen and the big, just the vibe of it. I just like it. It works well for me. But, so I'll be editing I forgot to turn my car off. It's much more quiet. Oh, and by the way, I am so sorry about yesterday's video, the sound. What in the hell? That was so awful. I was going, oh my God, this sound is so bad, but then it's done, like the day's done. I got to edit it and put the video out. And I was like, so sorry about that. I'm not going to drive with this iPhone anymore unless I have a camera mount, because it was just, it seems like it was like ducking the audio. Like it would make it really low, and then it would spike up on top of the weird, it sounds almost like a GoPro audio. And this is my iPhone 8, so I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe I dropped it one too many times and the microphone doesn't work anymore. But yeah, I was just like, what the hell is going on with that? Okay, so I always do everything in reverse order, and I used to like going with books. I used to like to start with the back, but it doesn't matter. The point is, that yesterday, after I got done talking to you guys, I thought I was going to do more video, and I went home, I did some stuff, and then I laid down for a second, and then I was like, oh my God, I've got to get ready and go meet my dad for dinner. It was like, because he wanted to meet at 4:30, so it was like, what? So, yeah, so I got there, the dinner was great. It's still my favorite Thai restaurant, although I couldn't taste the jalapeno fried rice. I was so sad. I could not taste the jalapeno fried rice. Actually, I can taste it. It tastes like shit. When I say I can't taste it, for me, I mean it tastes like shit. Yeah, it's very depressing. I wonder why things taste chemically for people affected by this. I mean, don't you think that's weird? Like, are we tasting the chemicals in food? Are there so many chemicals in food that most people don't taste them anymore? And then maybe because people who have been affected by COVID or whatever, our taste buds have been sort of reset or something, and so we just taste chemicals. I don't know, but it doesn't describe why some people say they taste garbage and sewage and things like that. I don't taste garbage. I do taste chemicals, and I also taste, it's an indescribable taste, indescribable smell. I've never tasted or smelled anything like it. It's like a combination of things. I say like Kool-Aid, like chewing on a Band-Aid, that medicinal kind of smell that a Band-Aid has. And then old laundry, like laundry water in the washing machine, that if you lift the lid up or something and it's musty clothes, like that kind of smell mixed with like something I've never smelled before. It's not from this world. I don't even know how to describe it. That's why I can't stand this. I love describing things. I can't describe it. But yeah, and it varies to different degrees and different days and different things. I don't know anything. It doesn't make any sense to me. And it does depress me. But anyway, so fried rice was out. I didn't taste it. But the sausage, they put like a Thai sausage in it. That I tasted, not what it used to taste like to me, but I tasted it. What it did taste like was very good. So that was good. So I ate some of that. The beer tasted chemically, but I'm used to beer and wine right now tasting off, but I still drink it because I'm like, I'm still having this. It's like Thai beer. It's very good, called Shanghai. And then what was the other thing I had? Oh, Penang curry. Spicy foods are really good for this, like, because it sort of breaks through. I can't have anything kind of bland because then that weird flavor comes in and dominates. But if I have spicy food, then that actually is helpful. Like I didn't have any turkey on Thanksgiving because as soon as I tasted it, it tasted 100% of that weird flavor smell thing going on. It was really depressing. I was just like, this is gross. So I think I'm gonna catch up so that I release the videos in the morning that were from the day before. I don't know. I'll think about this somehow. Yeah. So back to the whole post-COVID, even though I tested negative for COVID, post-COVID, weird taste and smell. Yeah. So it was, I didn't have any turkey because it was gross, but the stuffing I could eat a little bit, but even that was a little bit suspect. If I put a lot of salt on something, that sort of helps, but it really depends on what it is. But that's why I liked my poke bowl yesterday, because it was really spicy hot. And the tuna, for some reason, I do taste something with the tuna. You know, and now I'm thinking about it, I probably don't taste it the way it's supposed to be, like the way it actually tastes. I taste it in a weird way. One moment. Yeah. Yeah. Because I definitely taste something, but I don't know what it is.